February 2026 has been a dynamic month for the global pharmaceutical and biotechnology industry. From breakthroughs in metabolic medicine to new regulatory policies and major industry collaborations, several developments are shaping the future of healthcare. In this MedPharma update, we explore the most important news that defined the pharmaceutical landscape this month. Let's begin with one of the biggest stories in modern medicine, the rapid growth of obesity and metabolic disease therapies. Drugs targeting the GLP-1 pathway continue to dominate pharmaceutical innovation. Originally developed for diabetes, these drugs are now transforming the treatment of obesity and related metabolic disorders. Companies like Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk are leading this global race. One of the most closely watched developments is Eli Lilly's oral obesity drug candidate orforglipron. The company is preparing for potential regulatory approval of this once-daily pill, which could deliver weight loss effects similar to injectable therapies. If approved, oral GLP-1 treatments could significantly expand patient access by eliminating the need for injections and complex cold chain storage. Experts believe that the global obesity drug market could become one of the largest pharmaceutical markets in history during the next decade. Moving to regulatory developments, February also saw several important drug approvals by the US FDA. Among them is zongertinib, a targeted therapy designed for patients with a rare mutation in non-small cell lung cancer. Clinical trials have demonstrated strong tumor response rates, representing an important advancement in precision oncology. Another newly approved therapy is difamilast, a topical phosphodiesterase 4 inhibitor used to treat mild to moderate atopic dermatitis. The drug can be used in patients as young as 2 years old, offering an additional treatment option for inflammatory skin diseases. In the field of mental health, regulators also approved milsaperidone, an atypical antipsychotic used for schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. New psychiatric treatments remain critical as many patients continue to struggle with limited therapeutic options. Beyond individual drug approvals, regulators are also implementing policy changes to accelerate innovation. The US FDA recently announced new initiatives aimed at speeding up the development and approval of gene therapies for rare diseases. These initiatives are designed to reduce regulatory delays while maintaining safety and scientific rigor. Another policy shift involves increased flexibility in clinical trial requirements. In certain situations, regulators may now consider approving drugs based on a single well-controlled clinical trial rather than requiring two separate studies. This approach is particularly relevant for serious or life-threatening conditions where faster access to treatments is critical. February also brought important developments in pharmaceutical partnerships and global collaboration. One of the largest deals announced recently is a partnership between Sanofi and Sino Biopharmaceutical worth up to $1.5 billion. The collaboration focuses on developing rovadicitinib, a drug candidate targeting blood cancers and immune-related diseases. Partnerships like this demonstrate how pharmaceutical companies are increasingly working together to accelerate research and global commercialization. At the same time, regulators continue to emphasize the importance of manufacturing quality and compliance. Recent inspections of pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities highlight ongoing efforts by regulatory authorities to ensure that medicines are produced according to strict global quality standards. Maintaining compliance with good manufacturing practices remains essential for protecting patient safety and maintaining public trust. Another major trend shaping the industry is the expansion of biosimilars. As patents for several blockbuster biologic medicines begin to expire, pharmaceutical companies are developing biosimilar versions that offer similar clinical benefits at lower cost. Biosimilars are expected to increase competition, improve patient access, and help healthcare systems manage the rising cost of biologic therapies. Finally, several broader trends continue to transform the pharmaceutical industry in 2026. Artificial intelligence is increasingly being used in drug discovery and clinical trial design. Precision medicine is advancing rapidly, allowing treatments to be tailored to specific genetic mutations and disease pathways. Meanwhile, pharmaceutical companies are strengthening supply chains and expanding manufacturing capacity to ensure reliable global medicine production. February 2026 has highlighted several key developments in the MedPharma sector. Rapid growth in metabolic therapies, new FDA drug approvals, regulatory reforms, and the continued expansion of biosimilars.